circumstances qualifying the offense. Number 1. When the death of the minor resulted from such abandon. So, ang nungdan sa kamatayon sa bata is ang pag-abandon sa iyang parents. Number 2. If the life of the minor was in danger because of the abandonment, which is ang life sa bata is in danger kitungod sa pag-abandon sa iyang parents. Article 277, abandonment of minor entrusted with his custody in deference of parents. Definition niya is, this provision applies to individuals who are legally entrusted with the care of a minor by parents. For example, scenario is, isa ko ka parents tapos ako ang anak is akong ipatiman sa lain tao kay tungod dili na ako kaya ang ilang mga kinahanglanon, which is liable ko aning crime aning Article 277, penalty arresto mayor, fine 100,000 pesos. Elements of abandonment of minor, that the offender has charge of the rearing or education of minor, which is ang offender is parents nga dapat nta nga siya ang mukuan sa bata mo edukate mo padako og tarong. Number 2, that he delivers said minor to a public institution or other person, which is ang offender is ang bata is iyang gideliver sa laing tawo. Number 3, that the one who entrusted such a child to the offender has not consisted to such act, which is ang offender is wala niya atiman ang bata, which is iyang abandon o patiman sa laing tawo. Elements of indifference of parents. Number 1, that the offender is a parents, which is ang offender is guardian sa bata. Number 2, that he neglects his children by not giving them education, which is ang offender is wala niya tagaan ang bata o saktong pag-educate. Number 3, that his station in his life requires such education and his financial condition permit, which is ang purpose of offender is ang bata is ipa-abandon sa laing tao para makakwarta siya. Number 4, failure to give must be due to deliberate desire to evade such obligation, which is i-abandon sa offender ang bata may tungod sa obligasyon niya nga dili na niya makaya ang pagpadako sa bata. Article 278, exploitation of minors. Definition niya is, any person who shall cause any boy or girl under 16 years of age to perform any dangerous feat of balancing physical strength or condition, which is, for example, scenario is ako sa ako ka parents tapos kung mga anak is akong i-perform is ako silang ipa-perform nga mga delikado nga mga bluhaton. For example is balancing physical strength or condition, which is kanang mga dili mga lisod nga bluhaton tapos makakos ni siya og dili maayo sa mga bata. Tapos ako nga parents is malayable ko ani nga crime aning Article 278. Penalty is prison correctional. Fine is 500 pesos. Prohibited acts. Number 1, causing any boy or girl under 16 to perform any dangerous feat of balancing physical swim, which is offender is the cause sa prohibited acts. Number 1, causing any boy or girl under 16 to perform any dangerous feat of balancing physical swim, which is ang offender is nagpakuan siya sa bata, nagpa-perform siya og act nga dangerous. For example is feat of balancing physical swims, which is gagamit og kusog, which is delikado na sa bata kay for example dili nila kaya ang ipabuhat. Number 2, employing children under 16 who are not children or descendant of the offender in exhibition of acrobat, gymnast, rope walker, diver, which is number 2 is offender is nagpabuhat sa mga bata na dangerous nga mga luhaton kaniya sa kuan, acrobat, gymnast, rope walker o diver, which is kana nga mga luhaton is dili pa kayo kaya sa mga minor de edad. Number 3, employing any descendants under 12 years of age in dangerous exhibition enumerated in the next paragraph, which is kuan pagpabuhat sa mga bata nga giingon sa paragraph 2. Number 4, delivering a child under 16 gratuitously to any person following any calling enumerated in paragraph 2 or any habitual background, which is offender is ang bata is ihatag sa laing tawo through to habitual background, which is example is sexual intercourse sa laing tawo. Number 5,